Hey guys, Jim Edwards here, and welcome to another edition of Getting Ready to Work Out with Jim. And I wanted to share with you an idea, and also something I see that happens not only to me, but to other people. And that is too many ideas. And here's the problem. So all of us as entrepreneurs have a ton of ideas, and it's not unusual for us to have several ideas a day. The problem is, it's like the sun on a log. You've heard this before, where the sun can shine on a log for days, weeks, months, even years, and ultimately the log will just rot away. But if you take that same sunshine and you focus the rays of the sun through a magnifying glass, you can actually set that log on fire in just a few minutes. And that's the difference between having a ton of ideas that you sort of act on and other ideas that you don't act on at all, and one idea that you act on with total and complete concentration. So behind me I have two cars. The first car right there is basically the car that I had when I graduated from college. And that car right there, the idea of how I was going to make money was I was going to get a job and I was going to be able to make payments on that car. Now that isn't the same car, but my wife bought me a similar car same year for my 50th birthday, just as a fun gift. So that car represents the idea of I'm going to get a job and I'm going to pay for a car. Let me show you a different car, okay? This car came from the idea of I'm going to add value to a whole lot of people's lives in a very specific area, and all of a sudden, that car showed up. Only difference is the ideas that I had in my head about what I was going to do and what I was going to focus on. Now, the car on the left this car came from the idea of I'm going to work for somebody else. This car came as a result of I'm going to create a course that I'm going to sell that's going to teach people how to do something very specific. And then I focused on that idea long enough to actually bring it to fruition. This car came from a $10 to $12 an hour idea. This car came from a let me make a couple of $1 million idea. That's the difference I want to get across to you, is that you can have 1,000 ideas, but until you focus in on one, until you take it over the hump, until you solve all the problems associated with that idea, until you stick with it long enough to get results, it's only going to be a $10 an hour idea. That's the thing that we all need to remember, is that if you want to create the big results that everybody's wanting and promising online and all this other stuff that you see on the internet, you've got to focus in on an idea long enough to create results. I'll give you one other example. 6 years ago, I decided that I needed to lose weight and that I needed to get in shape. And I focused on a single, simple idea. And that was every morning I was going to get up and I was going to walk for 30 minutes. That was the idea. That was the idea that I committed to. And once I did that, I built from there, and I was able to explode my results as far as with physical fitness. So not to brag, but the other day I did 33 pull-ups in a row. When I started walking that 30 minutes, I could only do one, and that was a real pathetic attempt. So the point is this, and I'll wrap it up. If you want to do something big, it's not going to be a whole bunch of ideas that get you there. It's going to be a single idea, well executed with 110% effort. That's what's going to get you the results you want. It's not going in 1,000 different directions. It's going in one direction with all your might, with all your energy, with all your willpower, and making it work. So I'm Jim Edwards. I just really wanted to share that idea with you guys. I hope it resonates with some of you. Let me know down in the comments below. Next time I want to talk to you about how a mastermind group can help you with that. Because I think that's something that people don't really understand, is the power of a mastermind to help you with ideas and to help you with finding that one idea and then staying motivated to implement it. So everybody have a great day. Thank you, Felicia. Thank you for all the love. And we will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.